Hello, and welcome to this guided meditation. Today, we are going to explore the law of attraction. This is a wonderful tool that can help you bring more happiness, love, and success into your life. All you need to do is relax, listen, and let your mind absorb this life-changing information. Let's begin. First, find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, and then exhale out. Let your body relax. Let your mind settle down. This is your time to feel good and release your stress. As you settle in, start to notice your breathing. Feel the air coming in through your nose and out through your mouth. Each breath helps you feel calmer and more peaceful. Imagine a soft, warm light surrounding you, filling you with a sense of calm and safety. Now remind yourself that this moment is just for you. There's nothing you need to do, nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to change. Just relax and let the soothing energy of this meditation guide you. Let's take a moment to set an intention. An intention is a simple thought about what you hope to feel or learn today. Maybe it's peace, joy, or inspiration. Hold that thought gently in your mind as we move forward. The law of attraction is simple. It says that what you think and feel sends out a signal, like a radio. When you think happy, positive thoughts, you attract good things back to you, just like a magnet. Imagine yourself smiling and thinking about something you really love. That's how the magic begins. Now think of something small that makes you happy. Maybe it's a favorite song, a warm hug, or a sunny day. Picture it clearly in your mind. See it, feel it, and let it bring a smile to your face. Notice how your body feels when you focus on something joyful. This is the power of your thoughts and emotions. The law of attraction isn't about forcing or chasing what you want. It's about becoming a match to it. When you feel good, you are aligning yourself with the good things that you desire. The most important part of the law of attraction is feeling good. When you feel happy and grateful, you are sending out the strongest, brightest signal. Imagine your feelings like a rainbow that stretches across the sky, inviting wonderful things to come into your life. Let's take another deep breath. In and out. Think of something you want to attract into your life. Maybe it's a new friend, a fun adventure, or even just more peace and calm. Picture it clearly in your mind. See yourself having it, enjoying it, and feeling grateful. Now imagine that wonderful feeling spreading through your body, filling you with light and warmth. Hold on to that feeling. The more you practice this, the more natural it becomes. Your emotions are your compass, guiding you toward the life you want. Now, here's the secret. Once you've imagined what you want, you let it go. Trust that the universe or God will bring it to you. You don't need to worry or check if it's coming. It's also important not to focus on the fact that you don't have it yet. We are going to trust the universe and let go. Just keep feeling good and believing that whatever we want is on its way. Take a second to imagine planting a seed in a garden. After you plant it, you don't dig it up to see if it's growing. You trust that it will bloom at the right time. The law of attraction works the same way. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting about what you want. It means trusting and staying open to all the wonderful ways it might come to you. Keep nurturing those good feelings, and you'll be amazed by what happens. Now, before we finish, let's take a moment to feel grateful. Think of one or two things you are thankful for right now. It could be something big or small. Feel the warmth of gratitude in your heart. Gratitude is one of the most powerful feelings you can have. It reminds you of all the good already in your life, while opening the door for even more. Let's take one last deep breath in and out. And when you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. And carry this good feeling with you throughout your day. Remember, you are a magnet for wonderful things. Thank you for joining me. Remember to like and subscribe for more inspirational content.